Hi, my name is Larry Harlow. I am married with Angélica de la Osa Gomez. Also, I am father. My son is Larry. He have 7 years old. I am from Barranquilla, Colombia. I am watchmaker in my free time. Also, I work in Procaps laboratory, but I live in Galapa 50 years ago. Galapa is a municipality of Atlántico that is a 50 minutes from Barranquilla. I am 42 years old and I study at Process Management Technology. 2. In my free time, I like fix watches and collect toy cars at the same time. Barranquilla is the capital of the Atlantic. Your food is delicious. Rice with coconuts, patacones, and fish. Finally, the city has a good place. I like Great Malecón, the river. In my city, I always visit the Carnival of Barranquilla. I enjoy the culture, and customs. Thank you.